Hey, I'm Mauricio Gomez, founder of Gomez Commercial Group with Norcas & Co., powered by LPT Realty. And if you're looking for an opportunity to elevate your real estate career, this is it. At Gomez Commercial Group, we're not just building a team, we're building future leaders of the commercial real estate industry. My mission is to help you succeed at the highest level, and this is how I'm going to do it. First off, we offer the highest splits in the industry. You deserve to keep more money in your pocket for your hard work, and we make that happen. Secondly, we offer comprehensive training and mentorship. Whether you're new to the industry or a seasoned professional, our systems and our technology will provide you with the tools that you need to be successful. Third, we're all about opportunity. I spent years closing millions of square feet in commercial real estate, and I've made lasting relationships with professionals in the industry, and you get access to that when you join my team. But that's not all. At Gomez Commercial Group, we foster a team culture that promotes innovation and collaboration. If you win, we win. Our agents don't just close deals. They're building a legacy for their families, and they're redefining what commercial real estate is in this industry. If you're ready to take control of your career and elevate your earnings, reach out to me. I know it's time to join Gomez Commercial Group.